This is our
Okay,
video.
I'm recording. Okay, let's go.
Okay, do I start? Okay, welcome to our ecosystem. We're on Rangitoto Island, and we're gonna go through some different places of it. We're gonna first start onto the ocean.
You gotta explain the time.
Oh yeah, the timeline. Okay.
Yeah.
So the timeline is like a long time ago, before Rangitoto was dormant, and all the ecosystem is still great, and it's unpolluted, and we all still have our wildlife inside. The water is unpolluted, and it's super clear that you can like literally see. You can see like sea turtles. You can see everything.
In cave 2. So these are the flowers. That have they're for the bees. So the bees can pollinate stuff.
Pollination is important to us because it helps the plants grow, and plants is the main source of food that animals need to eat. We find the bee nests and the honey.
The lava, oh no. The lava is not dormant yet, and it's still flowing. It's super hot. Yeah, okay. It's like the video game, super hot. It's really good.
So the fungi, they grow. The mushrooms, they are decomposers, and they feed off dead organisms like dead plants and dead animals, and they release the nutrients in it, and plants use the nutrients to grow.
The producers are the beginning of the food web, because plants are like the beginning.
In the beginning.
Then after the beginning of the food chain, and the plants is the primary consumers.
Okay, so this is a cave. Okay, so this is the cave. Okay, this is the cave. Here we've got some coal and iron stuff that humans use, resources to do stuff like coal and iron.
So that was Rangitoto a bunch of years back, and we're gonna travel far into the future, about like a couple of 100,000 years later. In the future, people got greedy, and there wasn't enough space to further produce their companies, and so they took down Rangitoto and placed a bunch of retail and factories on it.
These are the factories. These factories, they produce different kind of stuff. This one, Big Ben Power, it makes a bunch of electricity, but also produces the most pollution out of all the factories here.
Both of the factories, they were producing a lot of waste, and this used to be an organic lake, but then it turned into this because of the waste from the factories, and it also killed all the fishes and stuff.
These are the pipes. They cause a lot of air pollution, which is not good because it's bad for the atmosphere. It causes global warming because it produces too much carbon dioxide.
They make 269,000 tons of plastic waste, polluting the oceans.
So this is a landfill, and we move over here to our favorite part. Alright, this is Wendy's. That's BK. And this is McDonald's, and this is KFC. That's our world. So basically, for the carbon cycle, there was heaps of carbon dioxide being produced from the factories. Also, heaps of trees were cut down, so that added more carbon dioxide to the atmosphere and less plants to take out that carbon dioxide. At the end of this, we have a teleportation thingy, and yeah, you can go back to the other world. So yeah, that's it. And the biblical reference, would you like to explain, Ben?
It's Genesis 1 verse 1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth.
That's it. That was our thing. That's our biblical reference.
Thank you guys for watching this awesome video, and make sure you subscribe and like this video and buy all of our merchandise, and you can come back to the next video.